We're talking about natural resonating frequencies of the body, and what the Reiki masters do is able to manipulate that energy. Reiki is an ancient form of healing started by the Japanese centuries ago, where you look at what's called the biofield. We're talking about natural resonating frequencies of the body, and what the Reiki masters do is able to manipulate that energy, those resonating frequencies, and take them to energy points in the body called chakras, so that we can bring about much more relaxation, and we can use those vibrational energies to help in natural healing. There are traditional Western physicians who actually look at Reiki as part of their healing process for their patients after surgery. Reiki is performed traditionally where the patient or the subject or the individual may be laying down, and therefore the Reiki master will be able to use their own vibrational energies for what we call hands-on healing, where they're actually moving the energies from one part of the body, from the chakras, to where there may be the physical injury or where the healing needs to take place. This is a very spiritual practice, and they're using their energies in a way that interacts with the energies of that particular person that needs the healing.